Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Ngọc Liên, but you can call me Jessica.
Hello, Jessica. How are you?
I am good.
Well done. How old are you, Jessica?
I 10 years old.
Can you tell me about your family?
There are 5 people. My family, my dad, my mom, my brother, my baby, and me.
Okay. Can you tell me about your day?
In the morning, wake up and I wake up and brush my teeth. In the afternoon, I go home and go to park. In the evening, I do my homework and go to bed.
Okay, good job. Thank you. Congratulations. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
See you later.